Hey man, we got a super special unboxing for you guys today. You probably already seen the thumbnail and the title, but I am so ready to get into these things. My first time ever having them in the collection, and it's long overdue for your boy The Vintage to have these things, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up to the video, see what your boy is talking about. And yes, man, not only did we have the yellow ochre 6s yesterday, today we have another pair early just for the vintage squad. Like I said, I'm excited myself because if you guys don't know, I started my collection with this type of sneaker, bro. With this silhouette, bro. Classic, all-time classic. I don't care what color it is, OG, man. Or if it's one of them ones that we grew up on, I'm definitely going to add them, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video. The likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are running content. If you guys want to see more early content that we have lined up, we gotta get this video up to at least 300 likes, bro. I know we can do it. Y'all spam them likes if you're watching. It's free 99. I know you guys are gonna enjoy the content, bro. All right, bro, so you guys see we have the box, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking because me myself, like I said, my first time ever having these in the collection. I seen them in person, of course, but it was like one of them times where a lot of sneakers were sitting. I was like, bro, you know what, I can get it later. I can push off on it and I can get it, you know what I'm saying, probably under retail, and I was sadly mistaken. I was able to secure this pair from the Goat app. They had some express shipping or instant ship, so I went ahead and did that just for you guys so I can show you guys these things early, man. So shouts out to the Goat app. I got these from them, and I also got the, I think the Air Jordan 1 reverse panda joints that we showed you guys a couple of days ago. As you guys see the inside of the box, man, brown tissue paper on the inside. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way real quick, and y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see that black box, bro, with the Nike up top, man. Let's go ahead and get these things out. And they got these things here snug, bro. They got them in there real snug. Let's get the box out of the way, bro, and see what we got, bro. Y'all see what we got, man? We got some heat in today, bro. And the official colorway size tag reads Air Foamposite 1, black, varsity purple, and black, and I wear all my foams in a size 9.5. Y'all see it, bro? Let's get into it. You guys know that colorway, you know that color scheme, you know exactly what they are, man. Inside, you do get your GOAT sticker right here, and you also get this authenticity card right here. Check it out. And I think you can scan it and see each of the steps that it did go through a, you know what I'm saying, GOAT verification process. So let's get that to the side, man. And it's time, bro. It's finally time, bro. We got some heat in today, bro. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out, bro. We have no other than the EGGPLANT Foamposites, bro. I can't believe I finally got them, bro. I can't believe it, man. This is long overdue, man. Like I said, I started my YouTube channel off, you know what I'm saying, pretty much with foams, buying a bunch of foams because I did love them. Didn't have the money to grow up, you know what I'm saying, to buy them all the time. They did retail for like $220, $230 every single time. And the Foamposite Pros and the Foamposite ones, I think it's like a $10 price range. But I didn't have the bread to, you know what I'm saying, spend on things. Once I did get my own job, got my own money, bro, I knew for sure I was going to add a bunch of Foamposite to the collection, bro. But check these beauties out, man. Check them out, bro. You see that nice iridescent EGGPLANT color going around the entire sneaker, and they killed it with this one right here, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I know there's a lot of Foamposite lovers out there that seeing these like, yo, the vintage like foams. Yes, if you guys don't know, I've been buying foams for years now. Years I've been buying foams, adding to the collection. I did sell a couple, but I seen these EGGPLANTs were scheduled to release in 2024. I said, I got to have a pair. I don't need to double up or triple up, nothing crazy like that, but definitely having a solid pair of EGGPLANTs is one of the ones I feel like you have to have as a sneakerhead, bro. I don't know, bro. I feel like you gotta have a pair of foams, and probably up there on the top of the pedestal is the eggplant colorway. You guys do know last year we got the varsity red joints, and we also got the Orlando Magic PE joints to drop. And this year we have the eggplants, and I think we do have the Galaxy Foamposites that are set to release later this year, if I'm not mistaken. Let me give you guys some more updates about that one. I thought that was cap when I first seen it because, bro, the Galaxy Foams coming back out kind of sounds unreal. But if they do it, you already know, bro, your boy Da Vinci gonna grab a pair. Man, y'all see me, bro. I'm super excited, bro. On like the trimming of the lacing system, you do have like that nubuck going all the way around it, like the suede material. And you do have the mesh and the ballistic mesh on the pull tab on the heel of these sneakers. And you do have the penny sign on the back right there with that purple eggplant colorway. But I don't even remember the last time I did have a pair of these in hand. I know I checked them out a couple times, you know what I'm saying, walking into the stores and stuff like that. But bruh, like having them finally right here, kind of, you know, checking them out, seeing how they hitting for. I don't know what made me wait on pulling the trigger back in 2017 when these released, if I'm not mistaken. But bruh, the purple piping on the tongue, bro, and on the outsole, and even that nice purple swoosh near the toe box of these foams, bruh, is just immaculate in my opinion. Maybe I'm just super stoked because I'm a Foamposite lover, but if you guys are out there, you love foams as well, let me know how you feel about this release right here coming to us next month around that All-Star weekend time frame. And hopefully, like I said, bro, we do have that Galaxy Foamposite release for us. That'll be super dope. I'll be all over that release right there because this is definitely one of them ones I have to check off the list as far as grills for your boy. So again, man, one last 360 over the eggplant Foamposites coming out next month, bro. I had to get these things early courtesy of the Goat app. I will be doing a full Goat app review very, very shortly. This is the first pair that I did get, so I'm gonna tell you guys about the time frames. You know what I'm saying? How legit is GOAT? That's the biggest question I get almost every single video. Is GOAT legit? Is StockX legit? So I'll be breaking down all the different apps that I buy sneakers from to help you guys out. But if I'm being 100% honest, bruh, GOAT is definitely my go-to as far as me copping sneakers. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it for today's video, bro. Again, super excited about this release right here, man. You guys don't even understand. Like, this one right here is one of them ones, one of them grills checked off the list. And like I said, I cannot wait to see you guys' thoughts, comments, reactions about these joints. Will you be copping? Will you be dropping? How y'all feeling about the Foamposite Nike finally bringing back out, being the eggplant joints? So yeah, guys, man, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And go ahead, like I said, drop some comments, thoughts, and reactions over the sneaker we showed you guys today, the eggplant Foamposite, releasing next month, man. Leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you enjoyed the content, enjoyed the vibes. A like will go a long way and it'll be truly appreciated, man. I love y'all. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, man, your boy Da Vintage, I hit you guys some B-roll over the eggplant Foamposites. You already know a full review on feet will be coming soon near you.